left to invade, no one to kill in the sky. Who's gonna take care of your beautiful creations when you die? Pass it on to your children, the incompetent shits. Fingers crossed this little empire will always exist. You look indifferent, sir, too tired to speak. Sir, from this height your great achievements have never looked so fucking way.